Wait, this is the one giant cookie. This giant cookie is breaking the internet right now. If you love chocolate chip cookies, then this recipe is dangerously for you. Crispy outside, soft and gooey inside. Let's start by preparing your dough. Start with 100 grams of soft butter. Add half cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup white sugar. Then mix until smooth and creamy. Now crack in 1 egg. Add 1 teaspoon of instant coffee and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence for the rich flavor. Mix everything really well until it becomes soft, creamy and perfectly combined. Now it's time for the dry ingredients. 1 1/4 cup of flour, half teaspoon baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Sift and mix gently, don't overmix. If you are still watching, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing and easy recipes. And now add chocolate chips and gently fold them in. Now I'm going to pop this in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour. This helps the cookies stay thick and soft. While that's chilling, I'm just going to grease my baking tin and line it with butter paper. Time to put our giant cookie dough into the pan. Just spread it out evenly and gently. Add few extra chocolate chips on top, then bake it in a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. If you love this giant chocolate chip cookie, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Let it cool just slightly. And the best part, top it with your favorite scoop of ice cream and dig in. See you in the next video. Until then, please take care of yourself and the people around you.